Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 18th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, we just finished the FOMC interest rate live stream on YouTube that I did tonight. I wanted to get on to my 3 p.m. videos real quick because I just need to emphasize that if this really is the end of a wave B, we need to see this break a structure. If it does not break structure and starts to go back up, the prevailing uptrend could continue. A break of structure to the downside to me would confirm wave B, and that would also confirm that we would go down and make a wave C like I've been showing on the 4 hour time frame. So let's hope and watch and see if it does end up going down and breaking structure or not. So like I said, we had the FOMC tonight, and they did end up lowering interest rate 50 basis points instead of the 25 basis points that they were forecasting. And then tonight we got unemployment change and unemployment rate for the Aussie. Tomorrow we got interest rate for the pound, and then we have some dollar news in the afternoon also. So pretty busy day for us tomorrow also. So anyways, now we just need to wait and see if we really do break structure to the downside or not. As always, thank you and happy trading.